Alright, this last one is a little bit more of a word problem, but you can see how we can still use these techniques in order to build the equation of a line. So we want to build a line that represents the following problem. It costs a $20 flat fee to rent a drill, plus $2 every day starting with the first day. So let X represent the number of days that we rent this drill, and Y represent the charge to the user. So how much will we end up willing to get from them? When we're all done, let's see if we can write this line in slope-intercept form. So using the techniques that we know about so far, we need to figure out what our slope is and what point this would go through. Well, let's see. One thing that we can think of is the slope being what changes, or your variable cost. The $20 that you have to pay up front is not variable. It's going to be there no matter what. But what does change is the $2 every single day. So the variable cost, we can think of that as our slope. Not bad. So let's see what we can do with that. Well, what happens with that flat cost? We'll be charged that no matter what, so that is like our y-intercept. So I guess if this one, we can just drop in our variable cost. We can drop in our flat fee. Now what we're left here is the equation of a line, but it represents how much we end up charging the person. And we can see this by just substituting in some values. So suppose they rent this drill for 1 day. Well, it'd cost $2 for that day plus the $2 flat fee. Cost them $22. If they rent it for 2 days, we can put that in for X. So $4 for the variable cost plus that $20 flat fee, $24. And really you could go on and on figuring out how much it costs for each of the different days. But in the end, this formula right here would represent how much we need to charge them. You just simply plug in the number of days for X, and Y would give you the cost. So you can see that building a line is not so bad, and using point slope form is really handy in that entire process. If you do use point slope form, you need to know the slope of the line, and you need to know a point on that line. Thanks for watching Educator.com.